Protecting your devices from cyber attacks isn't rocket science, yet most people ignore the simplest tips. First, let's talk about passwords. If your password is password 123 or your pet's name, congratulations, you've just made a hacker's job ridiculously easy. Use strong, unique passwords for every account and consider a password manager if remembering them is too much. Next, keep your software updated. Those updates you keep ignoring, they're not just there to annoy you, they patch security vulnerabilities that hackers love to exploit. Also, avoid public Wi-Fi unless you're using a VPN. Sure, free Wi-Fi at your favorite cafe feels great, but is it worth handing over your data to a cyber criminal sipping the latte next to you? And please, stop clicking on random links in emails. Congrats, you've won $1 million. No, you haven't. At the end of the day, staying safe online is about being smart and staying one step ahead. Oh, and before you go, here's another smart tip. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Why? Because staying cyber safe is cool, and so is supporting this channel. Don't be the one with the hacked device and no good YouTube recommendations.